What's going on, dudes? It is Call Salad here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. This is kind of unexpected. This company actually contacted me, but kind of like a promotional kind of a contact information kind of thing. I thought it was just that, I thought it was just like another spam mail. I was like, yeah, come and check out our. I as a YouTuber, even a small time YouTuber, I get kind of a lot of those anyway. But I thought it was just another spam, but they actually sent me something. They asked for my address, so I did. I did give them my address, so I was like, yeah, sure. If you have anything to send, if you have anything to review, for me to check me out, I will do that. If you want me to send it back, they said no. Just keep it, and it doesn't matter. Just as long as you release a video, you can keep it. So there we go. Anker has sent me their sound core something. I still don't know what it is. They haven't said to me it at all. And yeah, that's what I actually love about being a YouTuber. Like you get sent stuff that's you have no idea what it is. So let's open this mofo up, this bad boy right up. So kind of like that, and then it should slide probably. Hello. There we go. So there we go. Let's put it down. The choice of 10 million happy users. Industry-leading technology, fast fan favorite warranty, and 99% positive feedback. Awesome. Open it up, and looks like we have gotten a Bluetooth speaker. So in one of my videos, I actually did say that my Bluetooth speaker has broken, and I think maybe one of the employees maybe is watching my videos. If you do, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you, bro. And maybe he's told them, okay, his speaker has broke. Send them this one, and actually make him keep it, but also make him review it. Yeah, good thinking there, Anker. Good thinking there. Again, it might have been just 100% just a coincidence. So here's it looks like just a charging cable right there in this little compartment. And let me just close this up. It looks like that's it. There's not even like a manual anywhere. I don't think. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, something like that. It's like that. Okay. I mean, does this pull out? That's what she said. No, that's it. There's not even a warranty or anything. I guess if you just contact them and you have their product, I guess it's just 100% warranted. But anyway, we're gonna do a quick overview. This is a standard micro USB, not mini USB, not mini USB. Just a standard cable. You guys see. And then the speaker itself, I actually did quite a lot of research. They do make some high quality speakers themselves. Therefore, I'm actually looking forward right now, as I found out what it actually is, to checking this bad boy out, just because they have some high quality stuff. If you guys are interested, a shameless plug, go and check them out. I'm going to be doing a full review after I actually give it a try. It looks like it has a very nice kind of rubbery finish. So it's not going to be, it's not going to be fingerprint friendly. Right, just put this back in. And let's see. So we have, this is the actual speaker side. Oh, my phone is there. So I'll be able to kind of get a feel for what it actually sounds like. So at the back we have just engraved Anker, and this is just again what I'm saying is this kind of it's not a plastic. I mean, it is plastic, but it's kind of like a rubbery material. At the top you have 4 buttons. You have, I guess this is just like a pairing button. Volume up, volume down, play, pause probably, and turn on, turn off. Did I just turn it on? Probably not. Hopefully not. Okay, anyway. And at the front you have the Anker driver itself with a nice kind of like branding. I honestly, they put branding all around this mofo. Look at this. Right at the back, right in the front, down the bottom as well. So if I press this long, this probably should turn on. Oh, guys, I found the instruction manual. It was below the compartment where the actual speaker was. So, not happy. I guess we can return. No, I'm not about that. Sound core. Welcome guide. There we go. So what we need is how to pair this bad boy up. Okay, so it was my fault. I just had to refresh the motherfucking thing. Okay, so we're gonna pair it up. And it looks like it is paired up, and now this light just stays on, it doesn't blink anymore. And let's see. So it's going to play some music. Hopefully it's not going to be too loud for you guys. Target on my back, lone survivor last. They got me in the size. That sounds okay. Okay, let's try something else. Maybe not that, but
in my hood, money equals power. And in the world, money controls everything we believe in. I can see we're in our darkest day.
Alright, cool. So it sounds good. So far, I mean, I'm gonna be fully reviewing it probably in a little bit. You guys just gotta give me some just a little bit of time to just spend with it. I don't want to release a video about a product, not actually giving like a real review, not actually giving it a real try. So I do believe the procedure when it comes to battery life should still be the same. You should still run the battery dry 100% and then recharge it to full, and then run it to dry again and recharge it to full to get the best battery. I might be mistaken. I might be like old school mofo, because I remember that used to be a procedure back in the days, back when batteries weren't as good as now. But I mean, I'm gonna do it anyway, and we'll see how it is. Apparently, this is supposed to have a 24-hour playback time. 24-hour playback time. Like, what is it is very heavy for a speaker. Like, my previous speaker wasn't even half as heavy as this one. But I actually like the weight that it brings with it. What I mean? I am a strong person, therefore I'm not gonna have a problem carrying this around. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, slap that like rating. Let me just I always hate folding these things. There we go. Okay, that was actually pretty easy. So there's the quick start guide. There's the not happy or happy. I'm not sure actually what it is. Let me read quickly. They tell your friends and family, share your experience by writing to a review on Amazon. I actually didn't get it from Amazon. Connect with Anker.com, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And here, actually Google+ is not available anymore, right? And then if you're not happy, you can contact support. They give you phone numbers and stuff. And yeah, there's no UK number, so that's weird. Anyway, so we're going to put it on happy for now, because I am pretty happy that I got it. And we also have a charging cable right there. So that is the Anker speaker. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, slap that like rating if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. And if you're excited about this, leave me a comment. Tell me why. Tell me if you have this kind of, if you're thinking about buying it. I'm gonna answer all the questions down below. And you can expect the review coming out soon. So anyway guys, thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace on the motherfucking streets. Bye!